Namaste and welcome to the day 2 of 7-day journey begin here. In yesterday's practice, we tried to explore very gentle micro movements, and in today's practice, we're going to address our upper body, trying to see how we feel about reaching out to different corners through the upper body and see where we are at without judging ourselves. There's no judging in the process, there's just exploration and trying to understand ourselves as much as we can. With that, let's get seated. You can sit up in any comfortable position you're comfortable in. If cross-legged is not very inviting for you, you can bring one heel closer to your groin and the other heel right ahead of that. Yes? Relax your shoulders and chest. See if you can roll the shoulders slightly back. Close your eyes. The same practice of drawing awareness and attention. Scanning the body from top to bottom. Trying to see the smallest areas and bring awareness towards it. For example, your elbows are gently bent. You can feel your palms on your thighs. You can feel some strands of hair on your face, on your skin. You can feel the fabric of the clothes that you're wearing, the t-shirt, the pant. Whatever you're wearing, you can feel caressing your skin. You can feel your skin caressing the mat. All these small micro movement and micro details helps you be more aware and present in the state. Try to make this a practice of tapping into the smallest detail of your body without being too harsh on yourself and without expecting anything. Slowly have one simple intention for this practice. A very simple, kind intention for yourself. And slowly open your eyes. All right, that's amazing. You're going to get your hands on your lap, wherever you're sitting. Take your shoulders all the way up to your ears. Let it go. Let it go all the way up, 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 up. Hold your breath here. Hold the shoulders up. Hold it higher, a little bit higher. And open your mouth and let go. 2 more times. Inhale all the way up. All the way up, 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 up. Further up, further up, further up. Hold it. Hold it. Hold it. A little bit. And open your mouth and let go. We're going to do it one more time, a little more longer. So stay with me. Inhale. Hold your breath. Let all the tension, all the stress, every problem that you feel, let it come all the way on the surface of your shoulder. And with this next exhalation, let go. Beautiful. Amazing, right? It's really good. All right, we're going to start with gentle stretch. So you're going to take your right hand up take your right palm behind on your shoulder blades as much as you can, wherever it naturally comes, yeah? And push this elbow behind. Yes, push it back, further back. That's lovely. Stay, close your eyes and breathe. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Slowly from your release. And other side. Good. Same thing. Hands behind and push it back. Yes. As much as your body is allowing you. Be gentle to yourself. Lovely. And release. Nice. We're going to come back to all fours. We did all fours in the very first day of our practice, which was yesterday. So you're already familiar with what all fours is. From here, we're going to add a little shoulder to it this time. So you're going to take your left hand up and from side, take it all the way up to the ceiling as much as you can and look up at your palms. Keep the weight on the hands and just breathe. That was nice. Slowly come down. We're doing 5 breaths each side. So take your right hand up, same thing. Look up at the palms. Let your spine twist a little bit. both the hands in one beautiful straight line. If you like closing your eyes, you can do that. And slowly come down. From here, we're going to just take the hands up for just a count. And from there, we're going to thread the hands through. Thread. So watch it. You're going to take your hands under and bend the elbows to drop your shoulder down. Keep the weight on your hands and then straighten this arm. Okay? Now join me. Come here and stay. See how much your body is allowing you to do this. If you want to keep the weight slightly back on your legs, that's also fine. Breathe. And slowly bring the right hand back first. Press the right palm and take your left hand back up to the ceiling. And slowly come down. Let's do the same thing on the right side. Right hand up. Take it up all the way to the ceiling. And thread the hands through. Then extend your left arm ahead. And stay. Close your eyes and just breathe. Slowly bring the left hand back first. Take the right hand all the way up. And bring it back to all fours. Lovely. Good. From here, we're going to just do, you can push your legs back all the way on the end of the mat. Yes. From here, you're just going to push your pelvis down like that. Yes. Very gentle. Keep the shoulders away from the ears and push the hips back into downward. It's like a modified downward dog, which is your child's pose. And back again up. And back. You can adjust your hands if you need to a little bit. And back. Let's do it 10 times together. Very gentle, as much as your body is allowing. And back. 3. And back. Continue. Inhale when you go ahead. Exhale when you go back. Inhale when you go ahead. Exhale when you go back. Inhale when you go ahead. Exhale when you go back. Last one. Inhale when you go ahead. Exhale when you go back. Stay in child's pose for me. Just stay there. Relax your forehead down. Just breathe. From here, slowly come up. Okay, we're going to lie down on the belly, on your stomach. Yes, beautiful. From here, slowly get your head down. Relax your toes. Get your hands next to your ears. And slowly see how much your body is allowing you to lift your head and just up and down. Very little, just 5. Inhale up and down. Inhale up and down. Last 2, inhale up and down. Last 1, inhale up and down. Relax your hands. Make a pillow from your hands and rest your head on it. From here, you're going to observe, you're going to take your left hand in line, left elbow and shoulders in one straight line. Press the palms and the elbows down, shoulders down. Right hand just on the palms next to the shoulder. Take your right leg up and drop it on the left side. Keep hands and the legs relaxed, everything on the floor. Bend the knees a little. That's what your body is comfortable with. You'll feel the stretch on the left shoulders, top of the shoulders. Keep your eyes closed and just enjoy that gentle stretch. Slowly drop the right leg back onto the floor. And now same thing on the other side. Keep your right elbow and the right palm on the floor. Right here on the floor, left palm on the floor, left hand up. Sorry, left leg up. And just relax the legs and the hands and just breathe. Close your eyes and stay. Slowly get your palms back, legs back into center. Release and push back into child's pose. So adjust your knees ahead and drop down. From here, we will do heart melting posture, which is known as Anahata pose, also known as puppy pose. So you can watch me. You're going to slide your hands ahead till you keep going ahead and try to drop your chest and the chin on the floor. If chin is not comfortable, you can drop the forehead on the floor and just let your body stay there. Breathe. Try to shift a little weight on the hands and stay. That's really nice. Slowly come back. You can drop your head down and take your hands back this time. Rest your hands. Breathe. All right, from here we'll go into elbow plank. Okay, so for this, you have to drop your elbows on the floor, shoulders elbow in one line, and extend your legs back. Now you see my hip is up. You have to push the hip down and push the shoulder away from the floor. You can keep your palms together or away and just stay there with me just for 10 counts. Breathe. If this is very challenging, you can drop one knee or both the knees and stay. 1, 2, 3, amazing. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. That was really good. Sit back on your knees or any other comfortable position and just close your eyes. That was really good. Nice. Close your eyes. Observe yourself. Observe how you're feeling. Is your heart rate slightly up? Is your breathing slightly faster? Just trying to have an awareness of smallest details. Give yourself a good night's sleep for the practice. Thank yourself for taking out time and gently relax your hands. Again, I would suggest you to sit down and lie down comfortably for at least 2 to 5 minutes. It's really important to let your body surrender and come to the zero state. So see if you can give that time to yourself. I'll see you tomorrow in day 3.